This salam, for those people, they say it is like a skin. Ya akhi, talk about jihad. Huh? Why are you talking about salutation and wudu and subhanallah, Kashoor, adi Kashoor. Kashoor means like the skin of the fruit. It's not the fruit itself. Subhanallah, this Kashoor, Allah's messenger, he says, it is linked to you entering paradise. You will not enter paradise until you believe. And you will not believe until you love one another. Shall I inform you of something which will be the key to love one another? And that is, Salaamu Alaikum. So, Salaamu Alaikum is the one that's going to lead me to go to paradise. And he's calling it like something on the side, something on the side. It's not important. Subhanallah. So there's no such thing as called Kashoor. And we say, لَوْلَا الْقُشُورِ لَفَسَدَ اللُّبْ. Had it been for the skin of the fruit, the inside of the fruit would have been rotten. So the skin is important to keep it. So if you are a person who can't even bear to study that the importance of salutation, I don't think you are a person to sit down here and go and put yourself and money and wealth in danger for the sake of Allah. No way. Because you're not being trained. طيب. And also, the last benefit, an important benefit here, is الشرع هو الذي يقرر ما هو الأهم. That the Sharia, Islam, is the one to decide which one is more important than the other. Not you. Not what you think. It's the Sharia. Importance, according to what Allah Azza wa Jalla and His Messenger. That's the most important. What they say is important, it's important. For us, Tawheed is more important than the Jihad. Tawheed is number one. But those people, they put, no, Jihad and then Tawheed. Jihad, how can you make Jihad and you have not got Tawheed? You're going to make Jihad with somebody who doesn't know what is Alif, Ba, A, B, C, D regarding his deen? Allahu Musta'an. 849.